1234 Media Bio.
Evolution in human being. Well, I'm gonna take you to a journey to the prehistoric period, and show from where human beings evolved. Evolution is the gradual change from simple, to more complex form. Human being is believed to evolved from a simple form. British biologist Charles Darwin, in his On the Origin of Species, explained how human being evolved in million years. So from his studies, let me put you on a time machine, and let's start our journey to the past, and don't worry, I'll again put you back here in the future. So the first member of mankind is Dryopithecus. They are 23 to 2.6 million years old. They were like medium-sized, or sometimes large, gorillas. An average male Dryopithecus weighed about 44 kilograms, or 97 pounds. Mostly Dryopithecus used to walk on 4 legs. They got long canine teeth, but not as strong as other apes. You can watch my teeth videos, if you don't know about canine teeth. They lived on fruits and leaves. They lived in China, Africa, Europe and India, and loved tropical locations. That was our first member of human being. Next, the second member of mankind is Rhemapathicus, also known as Australopithecus. They are 16.6 to 5.3 million years old. They were about 5 feet tall, and could balance themselves on 2 legs, but just for a short while. They are like the size of a chimpanzee, and a face of orangutan. Oh my god. They spend most of the time on trees, and got sharp canine and heavy molar teeth. They lived on tough foods such as seeds, and savanna grasses. They lived in Siwalik hills of the Indian subcontinent. Next, the third member of mankind is Australopithecus, and hey, they became the first member to represent modern human beings quite closely. They are about 4.2 million years old. They completely walked on 2 legs, and got a small brain to think. But you know what? Their spinal cord was a little curved, that's why they weren't straight in their orientation. They got a large, but well-developed set of teeth, and smaller canine compared to their ancestors. They about 4 feet tall, and weighed about 60 to 80 pounds. They lived on land, and used stones and weapons to hunt for food. Oh wow. They were the first omnivore member of mankind. They were intelligent enough to make their own weapons. They lived on fruits, leaves, and tiny animals, and that explains that they were omnivore. The fossil of this subfamily was first discovered in 1924, in South Africa. They are first representation of modern human beings. Next, fourth member of mankind is Homo erectus. They are about 2 million years old. They are also called the upright Manitoba. They were about 4 to 6 feet tall, and weighed 40-70 kilograms. They got a matured brain. They made weapons, lived in caved and livable shelters, and hunted animals for living. They emphasized teamwork for living. Oh wow. They lived on plants, animals, and fishes. They invented fire. Yeah, this is the most important point to be noted. Consequently, they cooked food. They loved to live in communities. They were found in Asia, mostly China. Next, the fifth member of mankind is Neanderthal, and hey, welcome to beginning of the modern society. They are about 200,000 years old. They got more developed qualities of Homo erectus, along with some other. They were the first to put on some cloths on them. They cooked food, boiled water, built sophisticated houses, wore ornaments, cleaned and designed their houses, etc. They were capable of speaking and communication. They wrote on stones. They loved entertainment, laughter, music, and gossip. They were mostly found in Western Europe, and Northern and Central Asia. They mostly resided in caves. So finally I brought you back to the future. Here's our sixth member of mankind, the Homo Sapiens, and we are here. They are just 10,000 to 11,000 years old. They are the modern human beings, which are terrestrial animals. We got a highly developed brain, through which we survive. Homo sapiens got a rounded skull, with a small jawline. We can also use our brain to innovate new things. We live a highly sophisticated life in a modern culture. And so, human beings are the dominant species on the earth. Now as we are at the end, let's recap quickly. First member of mankind was Dryopithicus, 23 to 2.6 million years ago. Next, Rhemapathicus, 16.6 to 5.3 million years ago. Next, Australopithecus, 4.2 million years ago. Next, Homo erectus, 2 million years ago. Next, Neanderthal, 200,000 years ago. And finally we are Homo sapiens. The scientific study of human evolution, behavior, and biology is known as anthropology. So hey, thanks a million for watching this video, and I think you comment down below your feedbacks. And please subscribe to 1234 Media Bio, to gain more knowledge.